Hi, my name's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking to make your burgers a little more delicious and cook evenly? Maybe get them a little flatter so they don't turn into meatballs? Well, this is Gourmet's Easy Burger Press, and it works really great in the kitchen or on the barbecue to flatten out your meat, especially your burgers or even your bacon when it gets rolled up into a ball into a tangled mess. I like how this is. It's heavy and it distributes the weight evenly onto the meat, and it gives me an overall amazing cook. Also on the barbecue, it gives me that nice sear and it squeezes out some of that excess fat. This is premium grade stainless steel, and if I wash it in the dishwasher and let it dry without drying it just in the drying rack, it does not rust. This is such a nice addition to our kitchen and our barbecuing. It really is fun to have. From top to bottom at 6 inches, and there's no chemicals or odors that come off this. And I like how the handle is heat resistant. I can leave it sitting on the grill and it does not burn my hands. This is really safe to use. Of course, doesn't mean I can keep my hand in the grill, and I'm so impressed that this handle does not heat up at all. And I love the ridges that come out on the side, so I'm less likely to nick myself. So this is great for adding to your cooking, and this is a wonderful tool that was made for a burger press, and you can use it for so many other things in the kitchen. I love the low maintenance. I love how easy this is to take care of and how much it adds to our food. And that's my point of view.